Well, good Saturday morning to you. Lord of mercy, it's Dan. I sure enough want to welcome y'all to my home in the sticks. I hope everybody's having a good weekend, but I'm here to tell you, old Dan been bowed up like a Halloween cat at work. Apologize for not talking to y'all for the last couple of days, but today we fitting to plant some carrots. And I got home last night kind of late. Well, the last couple of nights I've been getting home late. I used my crafty woodworking skills and I made something I ain't never made before. So give me a second. I'm gonna show you, and we're gonna get to plant some carrots. All right, you and y'all, here we go. Oh, Lord of mercy, I'm excited about this. Oh, by the way, I don't have no crafty woodworking skills. I could just, build a few things, but let me show you what I did. Went ahead and built this thing right here, put it together. It's very rudimentary. It's a Dibble. And all I did, this is about an 18-inch piece of just some 2x4 that I had laying around. And I had some 1/4-inch wooden dowel on hand. So I drew me a grid. I don't know if you can see it, but anyway, there's a grid on there. And at each intersection in the grid, I put a 1/4-inch dowel, and they sticking up maybe, I want to say 1/4 inch, maybe a little bit more. I don't have, just any high-speed tools, anything like that. I just used some stuff that I had on hand. And I went ahead and marked this guy. I don't know if you can see it, but it says carrots, 2-inch spacing, 1/4 inch deep. So I have plans maybe in the future to build a couple of these because I like the idea of spacing everything evenly. It just looks neater in the garden. Because in the past, I just used the old finger method. You just stick it in a hole and just guess. But we're going to try this out. If anybody is interested in how I made this, just let me know. It's really simple, even for this old coon-ass boy. Yeah, let's get to planting some carrots. What I have here is my brother over at Bumblebee Junction, Mark and Miss T, sent me some pelletized carrot seeds. And I'm going to plant these right there. It's just, boy, and it's starting to get warm too. We supposedly got a cold front coming in, and it was supposed to be cooler today. I'm wearing a black shirt because I thought it was gonna be cooler, but it ain't. It's just me over here at my home in the sticks, so I'm just gonna probably plan out, let's see how many I have here. I think this is 9. Yeah, 9, because that's the piece of wood that I had. But it fits in here quite nicely. The methodology behind this, from what I understand, is you just push down in that dirt and it's going to leave some indentations. I don't know if you can see it, excuse the lighting, but it's going to leave some little indentations in the dirt where you plant your seeds. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to use this dibble. I'm going to get it set up, and then I'll bring you back and we'll start dropping the seeds in the holes, and I'll show you what it looks like. Real simple. All right, we used a dibble. We got us about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 nice little rows. Again, I apologize for the light. 9 rows with 9 little small indentations. So let's plant out these seeds. These are the pelletized carrot seeds that I'm using that I got from Bumblebee Junction. So let's get these guys in the hole, and we're gonna go 1 to a hole. All right, let me show you. Maybe kind of hard to see because the medium that I'm using to plant these guys in has some vermiculite mixed in, not vermiculite, some perlite mixed in with it, but maybe you can see it. There's one there, there's one there, one there, one there. That's looking pretty good. I'm actually, I'm liking that. I'm like using that, the dibble right there. Makes things a lot easier. The only thing that we have left to do is we just got to cover these guys up. The only thing I'm gonna do is I'll probably grab some soil from here and just lightly cover them up. Kind of looking like that. And then I think we'll be good to go. The only thing that I'm gonna The only thing I did to this bed prior to putting these carrot seeds in was I actually wet the bed down a little bit with some rainwater over there. I see now why Mark and Miss T like using pelletized seeds, because they're a lot easier to hold, just to plant. It's a little bit more. Carrot seeds are real small, but these are pelletized, so you can grab them a lot easier to put them in the ground. So that's what we done did today. Went ahead and planted out some fall carrots using a homemade dibbler, or a dibble. I don't know, dibbler may be plural. I don't know, but anyways. And I'm really liking the concept behind that dibble. I may build me a few more, for other things that I plant seed-wise. Now, all I'm gonna do now is just water these guys in, possibly, and just play the waiting game to see if and when they germinate. So again, I hope everybody is having a show enough good weekend. It's hot over here in East Central Mississippi again, but that's okay. We're gonna drive on. And if you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up. They help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home in the Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over and give me a look, because I'm always doing stuff, really. With that being said, you know it's coming. Dan Reference showing up. Always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You sure enough get your shine on. Especially when you're planting some fall carrots using a homemade dibble. That's right. And we will see you and y'all in the next video.